Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Looney Ballooney Learning Center. My name is Tess, and today we're going to look at curly cues. I use these quite a bit in my designs, and they are so much fun. They add a little bit of whimsy, and clients love them. All right, so this is all about the 260. You can do them with 160s as well, but I like how 260s look in mine. Fresh out of the package 260, I always pinch the closed end and stretch it. Blow it up once. All the way to the tip, let the air out. All right, now this little handy dandy tool my husband made me, it's a 1.5 inch pipe, plastic pipe, and that you can get at any hardware store. And it's a 260 that's wrapped around here. This particular 260 is a little worse for wear. It's been on there for about a year now. But you take your little tip that you've blown up to, pick up that green, and slip your tip of your 260 underneath. Then you wind it. There's a few different ways of doing this. This is the one I have found to be the most efficient and give me the look that I like. Then I have my 260 Legenda pump here, and I simply put the neck of the balloon on there, keeping it twisted. And you can see it pops right off that 260 that I wound around the end of that pipe, and I like that size. Some people, they have them really tight together. Those are cute too in certain circumstances, but I like mine a little looser. Then I take and tie it off. And how cute is that? You can use your neck to tie it into your design, or you can glue it in, whichever you would like. All right. Some people choose to wrap it around their fingers. I struggle with that one, honestly, and it tends to be a really tight coil, and then you have to stretch it out a little bit to get the look that I like. I just find this easier, all right? But if you have a different way of doing it, I'd love to see yours. What we used to do before I got my Legenda, for about, 3/4 of a year, close to a year before I got this in my business, my husband had mounted this onto a wall, into a flange, and we moved the 260 down here, and we would work this way and have to hand pump to get it to go. And having it mounted on the wall meant we didn't have to hang on to it and try and pump with the same hand. So it was more efficient that way. But this guy saves me a whole bunch of time. All right. So that's our curly cue demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get to make lots of them yourself, and that you enjoyed ballooning it yourself.